All right, this is Carl Schwartz with Pinnacle General Contracting. We're here at the Johnson residence. What's the address?
7928 Liberty, Pasadena, Maryland.
7928 Liberty Road.
Circle,
Pasadena, Maryland. And yeah, as requested by Allstate, we are going to do the repair of these shingles to fix the damages. This one's damaged here, so I'm just gonna start it out. It's a much older roof, so we want to, just go ahead and try out a shingle before we proceed with all of the ordered repairs. Make sure that it's actually in a repairable state. So. So this is that's these three shingles. The nail partially kind of tears through the shingle, so you can get it up a little bit. Then it goes back down in. You try and work it out.
Are they overdriven?
No, these are nailed fine. It just happens if you're nailing at an angle. If the angle if it kind of goes in this way rather than this, it's really common for that to happen. See how this one's at an angle where I can just went through so it popped through the shingle, but you can really easily just get it out. it looks like some slight degranulation, creasing is already appearing on these shingles, but let's just wait till the end of the repair and see how it's looking. So, yeah, these shingles, doing the repairs, they are extremely brittle, kind of difficult to work with. You know, as you can see, once the repair is completed, like tapping on some of these, remove my shadow, you can see all these granules that are now coming down from the shingles. I mean, these ones are crazy. See, like this had to be bent at an angle to get that last nail in, and it, you know, no more than what's necessary. It's to swing a hammer. You know, there's a certain degree of lift that's necessary. I think the video shows that we were pretty careful with this one, but you know, at the end of it, it's a lot of degranulation going on there. Out of, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shingles that had to be manipulated in order to get this repair done. We've got damage showing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this probably would have been the same, except it didn't really have to go the same way as the others since it's just a corner. But you know what I mean? So every single one of these shingles that we repair, yeah, get a close-up without my shadow. So hopefully this demonstrates that, you know, in an attempt to fix one damaged shingle, you know, we're left with 2 new shingles that are going to need to be replaced. And on a
Yeah.
roof like this that has damage, you know, all the way at the bottom of the eave, this is not a valid repair. They just put caulk on this. And anyways, it's, you know, the pattern that they're installed in, it's going to have to go all the way up, goes out, and need this whole roof replaced. Also, we've got damages like up here right against the ridge vent. In order to replace this shingle, it's not going to be able to be removed without also taking off this ridge vent. And anytime you got to do that with these type of aluminum vents, you can't really put them back because they get bent so easily. There's damage on the front side as well. You know, it's a little darker, but it's the same, you know, age and condition. Arguably, these are even more brittle. It's just darker, so I didn't want to do the repair over here. But yeah, just take a look at our video. Let us know how you guys want to proceed. I can send in an estimate if you need me to. Thanks.